People all around the world enjoy luck, whether it's gambling at a casino, a sweepstake drawing, or simple everyday superstition. People do ridiculous or laughable things for a chance of luck. In many places around the world, there is a popular superstition that a rabbit's foot brings good luck. Japan, in particular, has loads of good luck charms. Here are just a few popular ones. Number 1, the Maneki Neko. They're often called waving cats, because in English, the position of the paw. But in Japan, this gesture facing down is used to call someone towards you. You can often see these in store windows. Number 2, Daruma dolls. Daruma dolls are figurine models after the Bodhidharma, the monk who founded Zen Buddhism. When you buy them, the eyes are empty, no eyes. You paint one eye and make a wish. When it comes true, you fill in the second eye to complete the pair. Number 3, Omamori. These are lucky charms that you can buy at shrines or temples like this one. They can be very specific depending on what you are looking for in protection or good luck. For example, safe driving, healthy pregnancy and delivery, or finding love, good grades, etc. Almost any need you can think of, a charm probably exists for it right here. So number 4, omikuji. You can get an omikuji at a shrine or temple in return for a small donation. If I were to give you a reference, omikuji are like fortune cookies, but not at all. The range of fortunes are realistically wide. There are very bad fortunes, and if the fortune is good, you keep it and hang on to your luck. If the prophecy is bad, you tie the strip on the tree, just like this, and you leave the bad luck at the shrine behind you. Number 5, Ima. Ima are a common sight at shrines or temples as well. They are small wooden plaques that people write their dreams and wishes on as a public declaration, and sometimes in the hopes that the resident gods will one day hear them. And the last one, number 6, Kit Kat chocolates. Kit Kats came to Japan in the early 1970s. The chocolate ended up being very successful for a few reasons. One was the name sounded very similar to the Japanese phrase Kitto Katsu, which means surely win. As a result, the chocolate became a popular gift for students around exam time, and many still associate it with luck and good fortune. Now, let's take a magic trick that uses a person as good luck. Let's go. Hi, Jason here, and this is... Okay, Batu. And where are you from, Batu?
From Thailand.
Thailand. Alright, so let's do a trick today. This is about luck. Let's see how lucky you are today. Say stop.
Stop.
Okay. So you chose this card, okay? Remember this card? Okay. And so, do you remember your card? What number was it? What number? Yeah, say it. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that your card? No, right? So I'm not very lucky, but I think you are very lucky. Can you try? Count 7 cards.
What? Count
7 cards. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, huh? Is that your card?
Yes.
Yes, okay.